30 years in email marketing, multiple domains, deep experience, and results were eroding across all of them. Hello everyone, my name is Lucas, product and deliverability expert here at Warmy.io, and welcome to Warmy's YouTube channel. The Big Ray has spent 3 decades in email marketing. At Innovation Partners Group, he sends both first and third-party email across multiple domains. 2 very different risk profiles, sharing the same infrastructure. By the time a partner referral brought him to Warmy, results were falling on both sides of that split. His team had already worked on volumes, reputation, and lead hygiene. In his words, it was just not quite enough. That combination of deep experience and degraded placement is more common than anyone in this industry admits. And it is the strongest available argument for treating deliverability as its own discipline, with its own practitioners. The pick puts the change plainly. What used to be really straightforward email sending has started to behave more like SEO. It is just not that simple anymore. To keep up with every rule change that is making that more true, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Most content on when to bring in deliverability help answers the question with a sales pitch. These 5 signals are concrete enough to self-assess against. 2 or more means the work has outgrown internal ownership. Signal 1. More than 2 active sending domains. Past 2 domains, the compliance surface multiplies faster than most teams track it. 1 domain falls out of compliance, while the aggregate numbers stay acceptable, and nobody investigates until a campaign underperforms. Signal 2. First and third-party mail on shared infrastructure. Sending on behalf of others introduces reputation you do not control into infrastructure you do. Innovation Partners Group runs exactly this configuration, and it was where the degradation showed up on both sides. Signal 3. Diagnosis takes longer than 1 sending cycle. When placement drops, can you name the fitting domain and the provider within 1 send cycle? If the answer involves waiting for the next campaign, you are diagnosing by trial. Signal 4. The fix that worked last year stopped working. 3 major providers changed enforcement in 18 months. A playbook built before February 2024 is running against rules that no longer exist. And the symptom is a fix that used to resolve placement problems and now does nothing. And Signal 5. Nobody owns the placement number. In most organizations, deliverability sits between marketing and IT. Neither owns inbox placement as a metric they are measured on. When no single person reports that number weekly, degradation runs for months before anyone escalates it. Nearly 6 months in, Deepak reports 0 complaints. The specifics of what he values are more useful than the satisfaction rating because they describe what the purchase actually removed. Deliverability and placement monitoring in a single dashboard, without maintaining long seed lists manually. That is the practical difference between running deliverability as a project and running it as infrastructure. Setup involved a few DNS changes, and then very little ongoing effort, because authentication is where most of the initial work sits, and also where the most common silent failures originate. Warmy's free SPF and DMARC generators remove the syntax errors and lookup limit problems that break authentication without producing any visible error. Domain Health Hub monitors reputation continuously across every domain, so his lip surfaces in a dashboard before it shows up in engagement data. So Deepak's closing recommendation is direct. If you want to see if email will work for you, try Warmy. That recommendation comes from someone who spent 30 years figuring out what works, watched the rules change underneath him, and found that experience alone was no longer enough to keep up. You can book a demo through the link in the description, and we will show you exactly where your domains stand before your next send. And that'll do it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can stay ahead of every deliverability change that affects how your sending performs. Thank you so much for watching so far, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.